Despite my repeated requests, some honorable members continued their act of willful defiance of the directives of the chair and violation of the rules of House. Due to their ignoble and grossly disorderly conduct, I hereby name the following members under Rule 256 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the House of States. Shri Pramod Tiwari, Shri Jairam Ramesh, Shri Ami Yaznik, Shri Naran Bhai J. Ratwa, Shri Sayyid Nasir Hussain, Srimati Phulo Devi Natam, Shri Shakti Singh Goyal, Shri K.C. Venugopal. He was there earlier creating absolute chaos in the House. Shrimati Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Shrimati Ranjit Ranjan, Shri Imran Pratap Gadi, Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala, Shri Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, Shri Mohammad Nadimul Haq, Shri Abir Ranjan Vishwas, Dr. Shantanu Sen, Shrimati Mosam Noor, Shri Prakash Singh Baraik, Shri Samirul Islam, Shri M. Sanmugam, Shri N.R. Ilango, Dr. Kani Moji NVN Somu, Shri R. Girirajan, Professor Manoj Jha, Dr. Fayaz Ahmed, Dr. V. Darshan, Shri Ramnath Thakur, Shri Anil Prasad Hegde, Shrimati Vandana Chauhan, Professor Ramgopal Yadav. Sir, you had come earlier. I have before me the entire situation, therefore, right now you are well seated, but you had come earlier. It stunned me. Shri Javed Ali Khan, Srimati Mahua Maji, Shri Jose K. Mani, Shri Ajit Kumar Bhuyan, Honorable Leader of the House, to move the motion.
Sir, with your kind permission, I would like to speak from here because they are disturbing. I will not be able to speak from my seat, so I seek your permission to speak from here.
Please go ahead.
Sir, with your kind permission, I move the following motion, that this House, having taken a serious note of the misconduct of Shri Pramod Tiwari, Shri Jairam Ramesh, Dr. Ami Yaznik, Shri Naran Bhai J. Ratwa, Shri Sayyid Nasir Hussain, Srimati Phulo Devi Natam, Shri Shakti Singh Goyal, Shri K.C. Venugopal, Srimati Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Srimati Ranjit Ranjan, Shri Imran Pratap Gadi, Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala, Shri Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, Shri Mohammad Nadimul Haq, Shri Abir Ranjan Vishwas, Dr. Shantanu Sen, Shrimati Mosam Noor, Shri Prakash Singh Baraik, Shri Samirul Islam, Shri M. Shanmugam, Shri N.R. Ilango, Dr. Kanimoji NVN Somu, Shri R. Girirajan, Professor Manoj Jha, Dr. Fayaz Ahmed, Dr. V. Sivadathan, Shri Ramnath Thakur, Shri Anil Prasad Hegde, Srimati Vandana Chauhan, Shri Ramgopal Yadav, Shri Javed Ali Khan, Srimati Mahua Maji, Shri Jose K. Mani, Shri Ajit Kumar Bhuyan, who continuously shouted slogans and even entered the well of the House during the course of the day, thereby disrupting the proceedings of the House in gross violation of the rules of the House and utter disregard to the authority of the chair and having been named by the chair, resolves that the above mentioned members be suspended from the service of the council for the remainder of the 262nd session under Rule 256 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States.
The question is that this House, having taken a very serious note of unbecoming conduct, disorderly conduct of Shri Pramod Tiwari, Shri Jairam Ramesh, Dr. M. Yaznik, Shri Naran Bhai J. Rathwa, Shri Sayyid Nasir Hussain, Srimati Phulo Devi Netam, Shri Shakti Singh Gohil, Shri K.C. Venugopal, Srimati Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Srimati Ranjit Ranjan, Shri Imran Pratap Gadi, Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala, Shri Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, Shri Mohammad Nadibul Haq, Shri Abhi Ranjan Vishwas, Dr. Shantanu Sen, Srimati Mosam Noor, Shri Prakash Chik Baraik, Shri Samirul Islam, Shri M. Sanmugam, Shri N.R. Ilango, Dr. Kani Moji N.V.N. Somu, Shri R. Girirajan, Professor Manoj Kumar Jha, Dr. Fayyaz Ahmed, Dr. V. Dasan, Shri Ramnath Thakur, Shri Anil Prasad Hegde, Srimati Vandana Chauhan, Professor Ramgopal Yadav, Shri Javed Ali Khan, Srimati Mahua Maji, Shri Jos K. Mani, Shri Ajit Kumar Bhuyan, who continuously shouted slogans, engaged in most indecorous conduct, even entered the well of the House, sending a very wrong signal, bringing this august House in severe disrepute, thereby disrupting the proceedings of the House in gross violation of the rules of the House and utter disregard to the authority of chair. And having been named by the chair, the above mentioned members, Shri Pramod Tiwari, Shri Jairam Ramesh, Shri Dr. M. Yaznik, Shri Naran Bhai J. Rathwa, Shri Sayyid Nasir Hussain, Srimati Phulo Devi Netam, Shri Shakti Singh Gohil, Shri K.C. Venugopal, Srimati Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Srimati Ranjit Ranjan, Shri Imran Pratap Gadi, Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala, Shri Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, Shri Mohammad Nadibul Haq, Shri Abhi Ranjan Vishwas, Dr. Shantanu Sen, Srimati Mosam Noor, Shri Prakash Chik Baraik, Shri Samirul Islam, Shri M. Sanmugam, Shri N.R. Ilango, Dr. Kazi Moji Anmin Somu, Shri R. Girirajan, Professor Manoj Kumar Jha, Dr. Fayyaz Ahmed, Dr. V. Dasan, Shri Ramnath Thakur, Shri Anil Prasad Hegde, Srimati Vandana Chauhan, Professor Ramgopal Yadav, Shri Javed Ali Khan, Srimati Mahua Maji, Shri Jos K. Mani, Shri Ajit Kumar be suspended from the service of the council for the remainder of this session, 262nd session, under Rule 256 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted.